Welcome to Schneider's Gourmet World's Kitchen. I'm Rachel. This guy here is Wes. He's my husband and he is gonna help me today make potato cactus chips. Yay! All right, so let's get started. He's gonna measure a half a cup with a little bit of extra, because we always do that. We're gonna turn on our portable stove. It's great, works great for those of you who have been inquiring about whether or not you can do this still with an induction stove. It doesn't work on induction, but the portable burners work great. So we're gonna measure in 4 tablespoons of the coconut oil with beta carotene for flavor and color. And here is your trick. You're gonna wanna watch the oil to see when it starts to smoke. For the potato checkers, don't add them too much longer than that because they will start to look like shrivelly, and they'll still taste good, but they're gonna look bad.
It'll look like a shrivelly what?
A shrivelly. There it is, and in go the chips. And stir using the mechanism forward and back. Get all the chips with the oil. The chips need the moisture to pop and expand. Awesome. All right, turn your burner off and use the lid to secure the chips in the pot and let the oil drain out. And then transfer to a bowl lined with paper towel to catch some of the extra oil on the chips. All right, so we are having sour cream and onion. It's another one of my favorites. Sour cream onion, I'm gonna add more than some of the others because I just can. I just love it, that much. All right, let them cool a little bit and then into your bag. All right, let the chips go in, secure the bag, and toss. And the bags work great. And you'll see most of the seasoning will adhere to your chips, which is what you want. Remove the paper towel. And there we have it. Sour cream and onion on the potato checkers. Oh my goodness, I just love that. All right, thanks guys for tuning in. Until next time, happy snacking.